So we just got back from Westminster a couple weeks ago, and we have been prepping and getting ready for the new sew season. And that means cleaning, organizing, getting new tools, new products, and literally doing everything just to make it an easier sew year as we get ready. So we're gonna take you along with us as we prep. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to pretend like I had already unpacked from Westminster, but this is what I keep in my bag, and I'm going to be unpacking so I can basically refresh and repack. The front is always extra shampoo samples, a Sharpie, and poop bags. This is all what I had in my bag for Westminster. I love, love, love the Toro Superior pet line with the amber in it, the Dharma line. 10 out of 10, especially for Palmer. So these are the new products that I just got in from Awesome Toro Superior Pet Care. A smaller pin breast, a finishing breast. That I didn't get in the shipment. I found it. Of course, the Gross shampoo, the Gross conditioner, the Amber scrub shampoo. These are the ones that I'm using on Palmer and honestly Rupert as well. Of course, the conditioning spray. I got a new chalk breast. I didn't have the Tarte chalk breast and wanted to try it. A regular size pin breast. The Volume Boost shampoo. 10 out of 10. And of course, the whitening shampoo. This is all the stuff that is going to go upstairs in the dog's bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and throw my grooming bag into the washer and get it clean. I've actually never washed it before. So the bag is all clean and ready to go. This is everything we've taken out of the bag, and we're going to put it back in, and I'm kind of explain everything to you. The hardest part, I'm so sorry, is the brushes. I couldn't find the stand for my camera until like literally right after I filmed this. So mostly it's me struggling, but we have the two different size pin brushes. The finishing brush. The feet slicker brush. I only use these on their feet. And then their body slicker brush. Baby powder. This time I made sure it was closed. The volume spray, the water, the detangling, and then we have shaving cream, hair mousse, hairspray, science spray, the chalk brush, which I'm going to go ahead and open, the hair straightener, just in case, the hair gel, chalk brush, combs, and their laces. Next up, it's time to clean everything else. I'm going to clean even the extension cord. You always want to have an extension cord if you have a grooming breed, or even if it's semi-outdoor, so an outdoor, so you can have fans, anything you can think of. I washed all the towels and I'm putting them back in. I just take 2 full size and then 2 hand towels. I'm putting my rakes away, although I realized the plastic one was kind of trash. As you can see here by me putting a little bit of weight and it broke. So I was like, I don't even know where that one came from, so it's no love lost. But that's why I keep my scissors, my clipper blades, my clippers. Oh, I also want to mention I washed out the bin too. A cool coat. My ringside bag. I'm going to put my bucket that I just pulled out of the dishwasher in. Some booties in case it's muddy, raining, hot, you name it. Booties are always good to have on hand. And of course, our taro apron. The grooming bag with everything in it goes into the bin as well. That's one thing I love about having the bag instead of a tack box. Packing so much easier. That was my dog first aid kit, an extra water spray bottle. That one's a mister. And then it's time to clean the dryer as well. And it needed it. I rinsed off and cleaned with soap and water the filter and the backer, and now I'm just using all-purpose cleaner on the axle dryer itself to keep her looking good. If you guys can't tell, we absolutely love Taro. So the link is down below. You can use code FLAMWITHTHEDOG10 to save 10%. And if you have questions on what products to use on your dog, just drop their breed below and I can help you out. I did laundry. I washed the dog soap bags, which are my Vera Bradley bags. I got as close to mint green as I could. I did my best. But now that they're all clean, the large tote I use for my dryer, my makeup, stains of clothes, just everything. It's kind of like my grab bag. But see how perfectly the dryer fits in it? And then I got a new Stanley on the way back from Westminster that matches perfectly. I didn't like the pink on the handle until I saw it next to the bag and I'm like, oh my god, it's perfect. And then this bag is literally forever for whatever water bottles, hair products for me, you name it. Because the dog bathroom isn't like fully done, like you can see by the inside of the cabinets, we have work to do. But I also realize I haven't shown YouTube this room at all, but we're gonna get stuff organized, and when time comes where I can finish doing the cabinets and stuff, I will. So this first row is all my step 1 that aren't for a particular line. The delicate puppy, I love having it on hand. We haven't announced it yet, but we do have a new family member that I co-own. that we picked up last week. I say we, it's my sister's dog, but I co-own him. And yes, everything's a little bit wet. A lot of stuff had drywall dust from sanding, remodeling this room, so these are the new ones that I just unpacked. I did find my open ones. Those ones will go to the bathtub, which I will show you. This bin is going to be like my sprays, my creams, and my elixirs. We are still unpacking a lot, and I am finding new dog and grooming stuff every day. Putting these towels away one-handed, rough. And of course, there's a lot more towels that go there. The shampoos I'm putting here now are literally the ones that were in my bathroom. So while I was organizing my bathroom, I was like, oh, okay. These all have to go upstairs. These are the water refills. I have to because you go through a lot of them when you're actively sewing. This is kind of our extra bin. I thought I had filmed putting first stuff in, but so we have some more setting spray that I don't like on black tries, tear stain. We have some, I think, ear wipes. The magic coat oil I actually put in the tub. The powder goes in first aid kit. I was saying I don't know where that clipper is from because I have the Taro wood one. This is kind of my extra products that I don't want to get rid of, but I don't use every day. These are the open shampoos I'm using currently, the Wondercide Flea and Tick. Of course, the Derma line from Taro and blueberry facials. I don't know, I feel so fancy when I do it. And then these are some of teeth products that we've gotten. Toothpaste, brushes, a scraper with I don't use. Dryer nozzles, my travel shampoos containers, and here we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and got a little bit of insight of the prep that goes into getting ready for dog shows. And if you have any questions, you know where to drop them with it down below. I don't know why I said it like that, but if you have any comments, questions, or concern, drop them below the video. Okay, bye.